How to change your Battletag username on your account on Blizzard Battle.net account on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to blizzard.com and log into your account. Now all what you have to do is click on my account and click on account settings, and then scroll down, click on account details, scroll down again, and you will find the Battletag right here. All what you have to do is click on update and you will be able to change it from here. After you finish, click change your Battletag. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the very end. See you later.